what we're gonna do is a holiday meal for a large party. This Southern cooker can take a turkey up to 18 pounds.
That's a big bird.
So the great thing is you season your bird. You put it inside of your slow cooker and let it do its thing.
Yeah.
It's gonna be slow, low, and happy.
This sounds great, Chef, because you can take the turkey outside, put it in your Southern cooker, and then you've got your oven space.
100%. Can you see that? It's crispy on the outside, juicy, tender on the inside.
That's what we want. Nobody wants a dry turkey.
Look at that.
That is the perfect piece.
That is the perfect piece right there, my friend. And I want you to taste how juicy. And that's right from the end piece. You see that extra flavor that you get?
Lots of flavor.
That's what happens when you slow roast it and also smoke it. Now, not only did I slow cook my turkey, but I took my pound cake, sliced it, and I grilled it. Oh yeah. We'll take a little bit of our strawberries.
Crispiness.
Then we took a little balsamic vinegar, and then we're just gonna add a little bit of that. And then a little bit of fresh whipped cream, a little bit of fresh mint, and there we have it.